13 hidden costs first-time investors forget. Save this video before you buy your next investment property. Stamp duty. The most expensive ancillary cost to purchasing a property is stamp duty. Every state is different, has a different formula. Download the Property Calculator Australia app and you can work out how much stamp duty is in that state you're buying in. Legal fees. Make sure you take into account how much your solicitor or conveyancer is going to cost when you're purchasing your next investment. Building and pest inspect. This is mandatory for any investment purchase or any property purchase you're going to make to ensure that the building that you're buying is structurally sound and doesn't have major issues. Loan application fees. When you're getting financed, there are loan application fees that apply, so make sure you take that into account. Lender's mortgage insurance. If you are borrowing a certain amount of money, typically more than 80% of the total purchase, you will incur lender's mortgage insurance. This can be a very costly expense. Make sure you take this into account because time and time again, people are not taking into account lender's mortgage insurance or LMI, and then they're being found out at the end on settlement day. Council rates, water rates, strata fees if applicable. Landlord insurance and building insurance. Now, building insurance is mandatory from a bank's perspective when you're obtaining finance. Landlord insurance is highly recommended. People forget to take into account how much the insurance is going to be. Property management fees. Now, maintenance and repairs, make sure you have a buffer. And finally, vacancy periods. It's not a direct cost, but being vacant is costing you money by not bringing in rent. And therefore, your mortgage repayment is going to be larger in terms of how much money you're paying from your pocket. So make sure you take into account all these costs and expenses before you buy your next property.
Follow for daily real estate tips to build wealth.